I never not once thought that I would ever have a career. I thought that I would always just be working jobs just to pay the bills, and now I actually have a place where I will be there for the rest of my life. I mean, and Mountain Empire is the reason why I'm down there. They helped me out tremendously in the welding world. Jimmy, he's the welding instructor over here. He prepared me for the whole wide world of welding, you know, especially being a female. I ended up getting a job down there, Kamatsu, and I'm working a little bit, you know, doing a little bit of welding. I'm the first and only female that's ever been down there. Of course, I was nervous, you know, but I went down there and then I proved myself to those guys that I could do it and I was capable of it. Now that I've come in and kind of blew them out of the water a little bit, they want to get a couple more of me in there. There's no doubt about it. If I had never went to Mountain Empire, talked to the people that I talked to, and they helped me out, I would have never gotten my career down there, down the road. I found my answer at a Virginia community college.